I was away. Did you guys take any trades in the time in my absence? So
I took the
yeah, go on.
No, go with it.
You took some trades. I know you did. Look at that.
no,
Absolute.
no, it's good. I forgot what I was about to tell, so you feel
Look,
free, fam.
look.
What?
Swing failure
What?
pattern.
Oh, oh, but,
The
but.
first, the first
Wait,
move.
what time frame you are? 15 minutes, and there's almost 3 minutes until the
It's,
candle is closed. But what are you searching there? Like, why are you looking in the
I already
15
know.
minutes before?
People like I wanna. I checked in the 1 minute before. People started dumping here.
Okay. Hmm.
You know, like I mentioned, the CME gap was 26 and a half. We filled the gap, and now we're just racing down. Right? I just closed my long there. I got nothing. I got nothing right now. I even closed XRP. I'm buying XRP on the dip though. That's good news, right? But look at that. Perfect close. I'm sorry, but I had to close my my spot position only because I'll let you guys know the reason because we're live on YouTube now. Um, we got CVD spot curling on the 15-minute. Wow, wow, retracing a whole move.
Right.
Oh, bro.
What the hell? Who's
Check,
coming me?
check.
Oh,
That's me.
okay.
Check on, yeah, yeah. Check on WhatsApp what I wrote.
Okay, okay. I was about to tell like who's sending me those uh such many messages.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's urgent.
yeah, I got it. Hmm. So, what are we thinking to for next move? Looks like we're gonna try to test lower levels on
Okay,
BTC, maybe, but
I feel.
at the 4 hours,
You go on.
I don't know. Like we have a conversion line that is curled up, and now the price is retracing, but
Hmm.
the conversion will still have a like a it will role play as a support, right? So it needed to be tested.
Hmm.
Let's say we broke it.
Yeah.
We are under the cloud, we're under the base, we're under the conversion, the price is going down. So maybe so we can aim for shorts, but it's too early to say. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. Like my opinion.
What's this XRP position telling me right now? Buying the dip, huh? Is it curling it
The conversion is still up.
on 4 hours?
Mm-hmm.
1 second. It's not. Oh wait. Sorry. It bounced. We'll see. It's just a volatile move. Imagine how mad I would be if I didn't exit. Where did I exit? Oh, I exit around here, wasn't it? 5555. Here we go. There we go. It's all right. That's a good move, right?
You know that the 200% I made on XRP, eventually it wasn't such a big profit at all.
Oh, you
Like
didn't take
I took
profit.
I took the profit, but I put like 30 cents.
Oh, oh,
Yeah, by kind of a mistake that I had to fix, but it was too late. But profit is profit. As long as the
yeah,
system
yeah.
worked, I'm happy.
Of
So
course. Oh, look at this. We got a comment on an hour ago on the channel. Damn guys, I'm feeling bearish for this YouTube channel. That's me getting the knowledge. Thanks, bro. I'm also feeling bearish on BTC. Can't short it with me. Good news. We're getting exposure on the somewhere, right?
yeah, slowly and steady.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. We're getting comments. That's engagement, right? He gave me a view. That's good. That's good. That's good.
When you
Well,
when you when, when you give value, so eventually people will start to appreciate it and will
oh,
start
mate,
to be around
mate,
it. So it's
absolutely.
only time. The
I
time
got,
is the main player here.
that's it. So, tell me, where do we start here? Let's start with market
Wait,
movers.
what CPI did we get? 4.5? What was it?
Four.
We
We got
got
Oh,
four.
it's four.
we're at 4% now. What was last month?
4.
4.9.
Four.
So
Yeah,
we dropped 0.9%. That's
that's almost 1%. That's crazy. That's a lot.
yeah, year on year. Wow. Um, no, what's the move on BTC? Because I mentioned to you before, we kind of decorrelating, aren't we? This is the move for ES, and
Like I don't know.
this is the move for
Something
BTC.
is being cooked right now. You know,
Yeah, I'm
like
not I'm not
if if
I'm not
this
doing anything.
if the CPI came lower than expected, so
Mm. We're supposed to
uh,
rally, don't we? But I said to you, the first move is going to be wrong. We waited for this since the weekend.
I, I love my chair right now. You know.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I'm comfortable in no positions. Look at the XRP just getting dumped on right now. Those bags. Oh man, I feel sorry for them.
Mm.
Buy the rumor, sell the sell
Hold.
the sell the news, bro. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's the whole pump retrace. Well, on the plus side, if it was to hold above 55 again, if it closes daily above this level, I'll go long again. Simple. Let's put some tunes. Live trading ahead. All right. I've been driving the entire way today. I wasn't even really gonna hop on, but I thought I'd say hello. And what did I miss out on yesterday, man? What were you streaming about? Tell us. What were you talking about?
Um, like I didn't stream on YouTube or something, but I was with the Hindu. I
Yeah,
uh, I showed him the cloud super trend.
yeah.
I also mentioned super important about the 5% on the risk management. I
Mm,
explained him what I do when I have a trade it's a weak trade and I should be more careful so I'm not risking more than 1.5%
mm-hmm.
from my account. And when you have something strong, you can go up to 5, but no more, like
For sure.
make these things as your rules for it. So, and I
Absolutely.
explained the clouds, the Ichimoku for the 4 hours and under, the 4 hours and up,
Yeah.
which is Ali Ichimoku, and the lines super trend, the baseline, everything with the clouds. Thick is good, thinner is
Yes.
bad. Like it's bad in
And it depends on which way we're trading, right? Like if we want to break the
depends. Yeah. Depends
it
on the
depends.
situation, but
So
and
that's good.
I hope that I set him correct information. I really not sure about it, but like I said to him that if we're getting into a green cloud and it's starting to settle there, so we have few candles on the bottom of the green cloud inside of it, we can go long, but of course with risk management, but the cloud will act like a magnet if you're in an uptrend. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So okay, I'm calm now. Because I
What?
told him don't take it like a 100% say. That I would recommend him to ask you about this to be more sure about it.
No,
Did
man. You
did he
need.
ask you the questions that he
No,
was
no,
about to
no.
ask? Not yet.
No, he just I don't know what he entered a BTC trade. Tell us tell us what trade did you take
That's
on
interesting.
BTC? Let's talk about that. It's okay. We exited. I don't know if you heard us on Discord, but straight away I even did it live. I said, I'm exiting my positions right now, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. There we go. Now wait, guys. So wait for this level here. Oh, no, right this. So Peter, you asked us about something, right?
Which?
Talk.
Oh, you talk about the trade.
Yeah. Tell me. Can you tell me more in detail to as what your question was? Like you like waiting for a trade to happen, which is good. You like Middleton,
No,
right? And then
no,
you end up. What was the question?
no. Well, not waiting for a trade, but pretty much what I've learned is you wait for
Yeah.
the candle to close
Yeah, that's
before
right.
you place the trade.
Correct.
But my problem with that is when I have a trade that I'm looking at
Mm-hmm.
and I'm waiting for the candle to close, most of the time I miss that entry. Because the second the candle closes, or just a few seconds before it closes,
Mm-hmm.
it starts to rally.
Okay.
So the question is, should you maybe place the trade just before the candle closes, or just go in market the second the candle closes?
Do you want to answer that, Whittleton, or do you want me to answer that?
The stage is all yours. If you want me to answer, I can give my opinion, but I would love to hear you too. So
Okay.
whatever you say.
Now, we were talking about this SFP that's gonna happen at 26,364 because we were about to fill the CME gap at 26,500, but it got front run, right? Entries get front run all the time because everyone, all the smart money. Just remember when you're trading, you're taking money from the rich. They're not gonna let you have a good entry. How do you alleviate that? How do you beat this problem, right? Like, it's simple. You plan a trade. Let's say that I was waiting for this short to happen because we discussed this at 1 o'clock last night, around 1:30 my time, right? The first move is going to be if the market rallies today, tomorrow is going to be a short, and it did exactly that. This is Whittleton's theory, and I'm going to give him full credit for that because he discussed that. He gave that to me when I was look. He like if I took his trade. Like, do I need to explain more here? He's excellent at theory crafting and game theory. Everyone here is getting stopped out right now. Okay, now we wait for these guys to get rinsed. Now, how do we enter the trade? Simple. If you
Hey,
believe,
thank you very much, fam. Thank you for those kind words.
what this is
I'm
this
like,
is
I'm smiling right now, just to be
this
honest.
is
Yeah.
your theory. This is your theory, right? It's like if the market is moving up now, if the market's gonna move up, Before the
Yeah, that's
CPI,
what
you
like
short it.
because I wanna place myself in those suits of those people who's trying to take my money from this market and want me to go wrong. And if we take all of us traders and put us in the same place where we now we see this, the market dumps, but the CPI is good. But if the CPI was bad, the market was going up. So they're doing the opposite to basically like to active the manipulation they were up to in the first place.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's gotta be planned. So if you're dumping now, it's a clear sign of a like why what reason BTC have to be dumping when the CPI is lower than the expectations?
All right, now
Like
we'll discuss
so
that soon. We'll discuss that
did
soon.
did Putin sold his BTC right now? Like what happened? So I'm
We'll-
searching for a reason. Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about it until now. In
now,
those seconds, I'm still thinking about it.
hang on. Before we go in like in an hour conversation to ask where the market is going, let me answer Al Pet's question. If you wanted to enter there and you're waiting for the candle, that would mean that your entry would be there. Yeah, it's simple, man.
Well, I guess it's a bit different. I guess we're not talking about the CPI, nor are we talking about
Yeah.
like just anything. It's just in general.
In general, right? That's right.
In general, when you're looking for a trade and you're waiting for the candle to close,
Mm-hmm.
do you either wait for the candle to close, or because once the candle closes, it would either go up or down? Would you then decide to go into a market trade?
I don't.
Instead.
It depends on which candle I'm looking at. If I'm looking at a lower time frame candle, sometimes I just go in. Like remember the bell trade that I took, Middleton, a couple of days ago. I think it was on the weekend. I took a bell trade, and it didn't go my way. I just closed it early because the candle didn't close. If you're in front of the computer, you can enter that trade, because if it didn't close the way you like it, you can just close the trade immediately. Now,
Right.
the advantages of you doing that is if it keeps on going. If it keeps on going, then you will most definitely have the upper hand, right? Like you have a better
Right. So
entry.
say for example, So say for example with that Matic trade that I showed you on
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So what I would have done is I would have closed or entered like 5 minutes before the candle is about to close, and then if it starts to go down, or at least I have my stop loss, I can close it out. But then if it goes up, then I just leave it.
Now this is 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
Where did you plot this trade? Were you planning
Right,
to
yeah.
enter here, or where was the price when you
No.
placed the trade?
Well, it was so the tiny candle that you see,
Yeah,
that's the candle before.
the hammer.
Yeah, the hammer. So that's the candle before it started rallying. So I was waiting for the hammer to close, and then the second it closed, it just started rallying.
Okay. Now, with that being said, right? This is your conversion. Beautiful clear uptrend. Bull cross down there, yeah? Price is
Yeah.
trading above the 1 hour cloud. Great.
Yeah.
You got the good settings. The price, the lagging span is above the cloud, above the price. It's a clear bull indicator, yeah, on a 1 hourly. That's fine. You can see here that it's chopping a little bit, but it's still closing above your baseline as well, and still above the cloud. So what you can do is just enter there. Now you could have entered here, but it doesn't matter. But you wanted to enter on that trade. You knew that you had a potential that that candle was gonna close as this candle. You could have entered. You could have entered, right? You could have entered straight away, the same size as what you would in any other trade, risking only 1% to 5%. Or you could enter 1%, and then when the candle closes, you add the remainder like 4%, and add when it closes above these resistances, these wicks above, right? Now, I would have entered the trade straight away. I wouldn't hesitate for that
Right.
candle to close. It's an hourly.
Okay.
That's what happened with Bell. That I took. Similar thing as well. But what I did was I closed it early anyway, is because I was going to sleep. But if I was watching, I would have kept on playing. You would have made that money. But it doesn't matter. It's all part of the learning curve, and it's fine.
Yeah.
Like if that's the beauty of trading. Like that's the beauty of trading. Like in front of the computer, right? You can just enter a trade anytime you want and close it anytime you want. Now.
Yeah, I guess that's the problem that I don't have is time,
Mm-hmm.
because when I enter trades, I'm at work, so that really fucks me over.
Yeah. Now draw this trend line on BTC. We are still bullish on the 15-minute. See how on the super trend. All right, let's look at this. That's to be honest, Indu, I know you're in a long right now. Are you in a long or are you in a short? Let's help this guy out. He's underwater right now. First and foremost, we don't trade on the news because the first move is wrong. Take out all the stops and move down. Now, one or two things you can do here. If you were talking about just, you could, with the previous price breakdown here, that's the 15-minute long close. Oh, that's okay. Small loss. That's good. At least you're practicing risk management. If I wanted to short, I'd short here, and I'll aim for the bottom of the wick, at least as TP1. That's not a good trade, but TP2, TP3, 2.86 hour trade. Are we bidding on spot? There's no bids on spot. Still no bids on spot. Everyone's still flat, bro. Look. See that big this rally here? Nothing. There was nothing. That was yeah. That came from open interest, closing and opening, I guess, but nothing. So we're waiting for this candle to close, right? I could potentially enter a BTC short here. Okay, where's my KuCoin account?
Right, are you on what time frame are you on?
15. And then if you want, I can flip this exact trade and look at it as a point of view. What are we aiming for, Whittleton? Are we going here, bro? Are we going to 23 or what?
I would wait for 25 at least at first, and then
Before
I
we
would
short?
like to think again, but I'm not sure about 23. For now, I'm pretty sure we're going to kiss 25. Yeah. Maybe
Beautiful.
24, 900. I'm pretty sure.
So we're shorting the market. Man, that was my Doge trade. I'm still in there. Well, I exited, sorry. This 4-hour close is very important for XRP, by the way. Yeah?
Hope it's closed above.
Now that is a clear breakout of the first one. Now this is our next trade. This is XRP's next trade. You know what to do. Just by looking at this trade, we know what to do. This is the only coin that's worth longing right now. I am honest to God. Like, there is nothing worth longing right now other than XRP. Please,
I was looking at AVAX.
as a long,
Mm.
yeah. But why I personally won't do it is this fat super trend baseline conversion. Now, I know what chart he's looking at. This? Fuck, that's strong. On the hourly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice call.
Wait, you with the Ichimoku, right? Yeah, with the Ichimoku. Wow. It's beautiful, but if it's 1 hour is enough to trust the fake move.
I would
Well,
trust.
what I'm doing at the moment is I'm waiting for the lagging span to be above the cloud,
Yeah.
and that's the indicator for me.
Oh, lagging span. Nice. Wait, how do you use it, Albert?
The lagging span. Please take it away. You got this.
You want me to do it? Well, guess I can share my screen. Well, I can't.
Explain to him how lagging span works.
Like seriously, like in the simple words. I don't know if I have it in my Ichimoku. I don't think I turned it on. I see the conversion,
I told
Wait.
you to turn it off.
Yeah. So this is why I don't see it.
I told you to turn it off.
So I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what it is.
Please explain now. You see, we're about to level up right now because he knows about the lagging span, which is important.
Well, I know the lagging span. I don't know it in great detail. I mean, I don't know how to do this. I'm more of a show and tell kind of guy, rather than
It's simple. If the lagging span is above, if the lagging span also has no resistance, the price is bullish. Similar to Matic.
Yeah. So
That's
pretty much, if you look at it,
Wait,
you
slow.
know,
If the lagging span is what?
it's above the cloud. So you know how you have all your indicators for Ichimoku? You have the conversion line, the baseline, the cloud, and then you have the lagging span. So
We're talking
with the
about the
lagging-
4 hours or the 1 hour.
Any.
There's
Well, it could be any.
like lagging span. I think it's turned on, like baseline and lagging span, right?
I'll show you.
Yeah. You know what? Let me put it in the chat for you.
Like in style, I think. In style, or like there's input, style, and visibility. There's conversion, baseline, lagging
Chiku
span.
span. See, I turned it off. It's very light. Hey, I'll start turning it on because you guys have started learning.
Well, this is the Ali Ichimoku.
Any. Matic is still bearish on the 4 hourly. The price is still under this, under everything right now. The time for us to be bearish, bullish on the lagging span is if it done this. And the price would be around here, and it lines up, doesn't it? And that's when we would long a Matic.
I've got AVAX. So with it's in the Traders Alpha channel, those are my notes.
I got it here. It
So
looks good.
once that purple line goes above the cloud and everything still stays the same, then I would enter a trade.
It's true. The lagging span is the
I
that's
still
why
have a...
that's why it's a lagging indicator. That's why Ichimoku is famous for the lagging indicator. Because think about it, we could be longing down here, right? We could be longing down here, but we're actually entering here. Now, how do you fix this problem? Simple.
What? Whoa, I'm confused right now. Wait,
Let's look at
I'm
the
still
four.
like thinking about how to use how it works the lagging span.
Now, 4 hours. Take a look. Right? This is Matic right now. Okay, it's bullish on the hourly. It's bullish on
Should I look on the alley? Because I'm on the regular, like on the
both
4 hours and under.
both.
I will.
I'm telling how to I'm telling you how to enter a contradicting trend on both 4 hours and 1 hour, right? The overview of
I have,
Matic on the 4 hourly is bearish. Full stop. There's nothing bullish about this coin. Agree?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's all, yeah, red, yeah.
It's a downtrend. Great. How do we get an entry to front run this long, or to at least get this move, which is still 30%? It's massive, right? Like, because if we were using the 4 hour only, we would be longing around here approximately, because that's when the lagging span would be up here, and when the price would be above this. Now, how do we do that? Simple. Go to the hourly and look at it here. Now what I'll do is I will change this setting to what every other normal human being has except me. I'll make it look normal. Okay? This is how Ichimoku looks like. It's a mess. So much noise for me. Now here's the problem with the hourly chart. It's already closed under this, under conversion, and almost close under base, but still above the green cloud. The price is still above that. We could long this, you know. If we were to enter it now, it'd be like this. Where's my long? Here we go. I have my super trend there as well. Jesus, there we go. Where are we aiming? We're aiming that. We just keep following this cloud. The trend reversal happens in lower time frame. Remember this. So he's not wrong. It's nice that Al is on the 1 hour time frame all the time, because it's a good time frame for trend reversals. So there. We could wait. We could wait for this, because this could start sinking if the price goes here, man. If the price goes to around this area, it would mean that the lagging span is struggling again. But let's say if you longed here before, it's fine. You're only underwater by a little bit. On the long term, you can still do this trade. Let's see the 4 hourly. Now we find targets on the 4 hour. This is TP1. Tell me to slow down if you need, Whittleton. This is my take profits. Okay.
I guess for me as well is to understand is when to know when there's a trend reversal. So, say for example we place this Matic trade, and the conversion and the baseline are in parallel. Do I start to stop the trade when the conversion line crosses the baseline, or
Okay,
if the lagging indicator goes into the cloud?
Okay. First and foremost, this is not the strongest signal. Because why? We're still in the range. There's no and the price is not far away from the cloud. If you look at it on the 15, it's still chopping. Now why don't you look at a coin? Let's just say for example's sake here, let's look at a
Go to AVAX.
Oh, AVAX is nicer,
AVAX.
yeah.
Sure.
Is AVAX a security or not?
I don't think so.
Is it on the list?
I don't think AVAX.
It's not on the list. It's not on the list. I'm
That's
sure
sexy.
about it.
That's nice. I like that. Now first, let's just go on the hourly. That's a strong trend.
I think I might place a trade.
See how far away we are from the cloud? Like we're far away from the cloud. It's showing strength. 15-minute. That's strength. That's a clear. That's a clear. That's a clear trend right there. This is a weekend chop. That's a weekend chop. We don't trade that. No Ichimoku traders will tell you to enter a trade here. If they do, they're on drugs. Let's look at AVAX on the 15-minute. Let's do this, do that. Clear trend. And now what you do is you turn on and off your Ichi and just outline real resistance and real support. Why did I not place it there? Well, it touches more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six touches in contrast to 1, 2. Yeah. Barely. 3. Do we have a common ground that this would be previous resistance or not?
I
Guys,
think there is one.
is this a nice level to outline as a trader? Breakout, retest, fail, breakout, fail, went down. Once again here,
Perfect.
went down. Now breakout, retest, and hold. Now this is a nice gap. We could use this as an elevator up. Okay, 10% up. First, we'll analyze super trend. Bullish, simple levels. Range trade, clear breakout. I'm happy. I'm happy as well with the super trend here. Okay. Turn off super trend. $50 moving average, 200 moving average cross, bullish. This is a CPI related trade here, but spot building, a volume building. It's okay. 15-minute. 15-minute is bullish, but this happened during a CPI event, which if we just ignore this for a bit, if we just ignore this for a little bit and just look at the recent clouds here, it's bullish. It's bullish. 30-minute. Doesn't look really clear. An hourly. Why don't we wait for the 39-minute cloud to enter? Or let's just for argument's sake, right? For argument's sake, and to practice what I've been teaching you before. Where's AVAX? Right? AVAX. I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. Yeah. First size.
Wait, did you just put in a market order or? Did
Nah, limit and I click last, so I don't have to pay much fees.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, I'm doing my whole calculator thing because I need to risk the 1%.
I already know what my my size is on alts. Now, Whittleton is the master of the stop loss because he is so good at placing them because he doesn't get hit. What do you think, bro? We in? Do you have
Nice.
do we have a common ground here for stop loss?
This is 60.
Well, it's hourly, but yeah,
Thin for
well, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
thin,
6%.
far away. We'll take out all these guys, go there, and possibly take out these guys, but we barely take us out. You can even go a little bit lower. 1 1 1 2. And to be even more safe, so I still have room to move into add, because my risk on this trade, I'm confident with this trade. I will probably risk 2%. At the moment, I'm only risking 0.63% of my total of my total size. Yeah, if I get stopped out. Now, where does that leave me? Where does that leave me? It's simple. For hourly, I have room to buy here, and that would mean I want to target this whole move. There. Simple. Zoomed out, zoomed in. That's the whole AVAX trade for you. It's a 2.5 hour
I'm
trade.
gonna place.
It's not the best, but I like this 4 hour close here. I think Whittleton would agree that this 4 hour close is a nice close. Engulf this everything here. Okay. So just for educational purposes, I entered this trade. I mean, there's probably better trades out there, but I haven't really looked. But that's fine. I'm in with you guys. Done. Ichimoku hourly looks good. And this was the previous support and resistance. We bounce, we fly, and if we gravitate towards these prices, I'll bid again. Now find me another trade to analyze.
Give me 1 second. I'm placing order. Placing trade.
What are your thoughts on this analysis, Whittleton?
Looks good. Like I would enter along.
Hmm?
Yes, I would enter along as well.
Okay. Look
Well,
at XRP.
I would wait to the last candle to close and then I would enter. But
Of course,
you
but
know.
this is just for this is just because because Al was asking, right? I keep on missing out these trades because I get front run, right? That's fine. We teach him how to front run, which is one of my specialties. Now, that was our entry. That was our entry. Where's AVAX? See, now I'm looking at the hourly. Okay, I enter now a little bit, and then I enter the rest. If we retest this, or wherever it may be in 2 hours. So TP1 guys on the higher time frame is 11246, and this is the previous order block in which the whole market was dumped. 1372. 13.72. Just hold the trade. Done. Alright, I'm in.
Hey Emma, what did you say about clouds? So if there's candles in the clouds, if it's in the cloud green or if it's in the cloud red, what does that mean?
Edge to edge trading.
What do you mean?
Edge to edge trading. That's what it's called. Enter here. Cloud. The candle close on that cloud. 3-day cloud here. Or here you can enter. Or here you can enter. Whichever you want to enter. But basically what it does. Same thing. It acts like a range. A cloud is a range. A very defined range. A very nice one at that. So,
Because the way that I see it is like, if the candles are below the cloud and it starts going into the cloud, it kind of acts as a resistance.
sorry, say that again.
Almost, it kind of acts like a resistance.
The cloud is the resistance or a support.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
that
thick
what-
clouds,
is
thick
that
clouds
what-
are very hard. Thick clouds are very hard to break. And when it does, it goes into price discovery from one cloud, from one edge of the cloud to the next edge of the cloud. And what happens when Matic? This is what happened when Matic closed 3-day inside the cloud. Here,
Yeah.
he just done this massive run up, 81%. Find thick clouds. We love thick. Thick can be used in two different ways. We use it to either exit our position right before this long, right? Oh, that's a resistance on a 3-day. It's a massive cloud. But if it breaks it, that will prove strength.
Right. And that
Right.
doesn't matter if it's red or green cloud, right?
It doesn't matter. I mean, it would be nice to have a green cloud, right? It would mean that we're trying to reclaim a bullish momentum, but this is a clear reversal. Now, a safer way to play this trade is enter on this break here. See how we done the. It could be a fake out. You know what I mean? Like it could be a fake out as well at that. So maybe if it was inside the cloud, above conversion, above base, it would ideally turn into Why the fuck? Oh wait, this is my lagging span. Right here, right? So you enter there, right? If you enter there, you still have, but also look in the lower time frame. You know what I mean for confirmation. 36%. But if you enter there as well, you could add positions on the way up as well, which is, I know for a fact that you guys know that I love adding into positions, not taking profit as I go, because my risk is defined every time I add positions. Using the same profit. There we go. What else? Recently done this move on the 3-day. Big movers. Tomo done this move. Ocean done this move, I think.
I have a theory about Bitcoin. Maybe not a theory, maybe a fact.
Go on.
What is it?
I don't, maybe you guys noticed, but I just noticed it just now. On the daily chart, like we talked about the fake move. So CPI came out, blah blah blah.
Bullish.
The price will go down. The cloud with the Ali Ichimoku turned on the daily is showing, like, I think it's a strong support of the cloud, but it's not, the cloud is not that thick, so I don't really know, but maybe the price will meet 25, 200 and 15. Like, will the cloud act like a support as a strong one? I'm not sure about it, because it's like it comes with the baseline on the left.
The baseline on the left. What are you saying?
Like, you see where the candle now?
Uh-huh.
If you place a line under the candle of the current candle, you will see on the left it comes with the baseline, a trail one, like a long baseline along the way.
Oh, here. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
this is a strong support.
Yeah. On
That's
the
a-
left of this, on the right on this baseline, you have the cloud edge. So the
Which is
cloud
straight.
edge will act like a strong support.
Yeah.
Maybe the price even not fall, would not fall down from this level of this support. It's a strong one. Like,
this is
what do
my
you think?
prob. This is yeah, but at the moment, me personally looking at this, we're in the middle of nowhere. I mean, the price dumped, but then it retracted back up. We still haven't finished this whole move yet. He got knocked back down, but it front run this level, so people bid. So remember what I said? Wait for the reaction at Monday low, Monday high. In 27 minutes, if we close above, because this is the whole CPI hour, right? The hour of CPI, right? Which is absolutely dog shit. I don't really believe this candle. I never do. Now, one or two ways I could engage in this trade. Wait for this level. Wait for this candle to close above Monday high. All right, and place bids aggressively. Or wait for the 4 hourly to close above. Does that look good? I mean, we got rid of all the sellers up here. These are supplier, like these are suppliers. So, but at the same time, spot looks like shit. Open interest piling in again. Like, for fuck's sake. Give me a break. Like, these guys just don't want me to make money. Like, these guys don't want me to go long on BTC. At the same time, look for things. What about 15 minutes? 15 minutes looks good. What do you think? Quick scalp?
Maybe, yeah.
Quick scalp like this. Yeah, let's go. Just it's a 3-hour trade. Let's try. Let's try this trade. Let's try this trade. Before I go into that, fuck guys.
Looks good.
On
Looks good.
the 15 minute, yeah. Hourly. Bounce. Respecting. Trending. Bullish. Upwards. Bitcoin. Indu, you're watching this. Risk management. Don't try this at home. I'm just speculating right now. Safer? Like this? 25793. What am I risking here? 13% of $133 is what? What's hang on. 13%, 133 US times 0.13. 17%? Nah, I'll go bigger. I'm gonna double up. What am I taking profit on? 26,931. 26,931. See how just nice and easy. No need to go in like be in a rush to take a trade. That's fine. I think I can take that trade. But wait, some more. Wait, some more. 8 minutes, right? What are we in a rush for? But if we looked at it based on this, it's nice though. Or a safer trade would maybe be like this. right? 15 minute above this conversion and base, potentially crossing into a bearish formation. What's RSI looking like right now? Read that for me, Whittleton. Is that safe to long with RSI, you think?
Isn't that
If you
pretty flat?
7 minutes to enter this trade. That looks pretty good though.
Wait, so what was the answer for the RSI?
He didn't answer. He's probably AFK. Probably just like run quickly to 26924, 26924, 26924, 26924, 26924, 31%. Good trade. Am I confident with this move?
For BTC?
Yeah, I'm really waiting for. I want to wait for us to hold above Monday high. Like the safest move would be like above here, 15 minute. So maybe wait for the 4 hourly before any stupid move that we do, right? What's XRP doing? Oh man, buy the dip.
Correct.
I want to show you something on WhatsApp. Yeah, I showed a Whittleton before.
Why don't you just make a group chat?
I didn't know how you feel if I was giving away your mobile number.
Oh, that's alright. That's my UK number.
All right.
Yeah. So that one doesn't work because there's no SIM in it.
So
It's only for.
so what do we do? How do I do this?
You need to create a new group.
New world order. How do I do new group? AU.
Yeah.
And Whittleton. What's his fucking KPC? All right. New group.
APC.
Where have you been? Did you mute yourself?
Wi-Fi
Ah.
and the barking dog. Yeah, that's where I've been. No, that's it. I'm good now.
Okay.
I'm good
I'll be
now.
back. I'm about to mute my mic because I know that my kid's about to cry. I can tell. I can tell.
Oh, XRP. Oh,
Should have shorted.
yeah. No. Oof. Best.
Sorry, I'm just like I'm doing work while having the stream on. Are you looking at any other trades, Middleton?
Yeah, I'm looking at coins right now.
Oh, okay.
Mana. Like, maybe mana, it's for something in a short term. Too long.
How long do you usually hold the coins for?
What is that?
How long do you usually hold the coin? Like, you know how it takes a very long time to get to TP. When do
Depends.
you usually like?
That depends. I'm not sure yet how I work with it, but I'm trying to see if I have a clear trend, so I can base my opinion on that. So if it's a good strong trend up and I'm in a long, maybe I will keep it for the take profit 2 or 3. Depends if there's a strong resistance support under this take profit 2. Like, I will need to check all of those things.
Yo,
Yeah.
yo, I'm back. Sorry, crying kid.
Which one?
The little one.
Um,
I like AVAX. I like anything that's not I want to actually build this 4-hour close here. If we close bearish down here on render, I think I'm gonna start swing short, bro. Like a big swing short. Don't be offended, please. Oh shit! Maybe like this. TP1. I've been watching it. Oh man, the wolf is dumping on all his people, man. On the XRP. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm not gonna fall for that shit. Fuck that. How long have I held the XRP trade for, bro? You think I'm gonna let anyone dump on me? No way. There. That's my swing short on render. Render swing short. Cardano is going to be a swing short too. Maybe. Nah, it just doesn't look nice, to be honest with you. It's already dumped too much. So what's this XRP like thing? What's going on? Mr. Fundamental, can you tell me what's going on?
I'm not so like I'm not updated with XRP. Like, I'm not familiar with all the story. I know they have a SEC case for a long time. I know this it's been a stable coin for a period of time, but even now, but I'm not sure, like, what is the issue? Security, not the security. I have no idea.
I think it's maybe because, like, now that other coins are being sued, XRP has been in this for the longest, and if they win,
Everyone wins.
it would be like the biggest thing. Like, they'd be the leaders.
Yeah, this is the thing. I'm hearing that if they win for, like, I don't know, maybe 4 years, and maybe even I know there's some basic facts on my table. There is people that is waiting for an answer from the SEC about XRP. There's the XRP community, which is strong, and there's the age of this coin, of this thing. It's have some. I gotta respect its time being in the market, you know. So I don't really know about any more information about it. I need to deep dive in it, but I didn't have any time recently to do it. It's still hard for me to focus on one chart, so I'm focusing on two charts. My mind is going like fireworks.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah,
5 minute
like
chart. Look at that. It's funny how Ritesh has the same view as us on that 26393 level. Only because like on record, I'm saying it out right now live. Like I actually borrowed his levels on here, and there's nothing wrong with borrowing levels, right? We just have to act upon it when it reaches that level. So yeah, 15 minutes. Nothing. Like we need to wait for Monday low to react. There's no exact levels that we could really look at, I guess. Other than that, yep. This Ponzi is weak, bro. Like there's absolutely no bids. They're still selling. I can't bid this, guys. As a matter of fact, I don't know what to feel really. Like other than like altcoins that can rally on small moves from the BTC, I think BTC will just range here. Let's just wait. I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna wait on this bottom. I'm gonna wait on that level, on that. Like I want to see the reaction there, and I'll take action upon that. And then other than that, I still got like hours and hours on end for us to find charts to long, short, whatever it is that you want. I know that someone was Indu, this one's for you, my bro. You're looking at Rad, wasn't it? That shit coin loves to pump, guys. Like big time pump.
Ava is looking interesting. Nobody's talking, right? It's not my
No.
earphone.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
like full charting right now. So
Yeah. Tested my earphones. That's cool.
I'm working.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Look for charts of coins that reclaim like levels like alpha.
Maybe Ave.
Think bigger. Think scam pumps.
Hmm.
Think scam pumps, like major moves that's gonna keep on going.
Got you.
Because while I love making 1, 2, 3% safe moves, but we can risk small and go big. Like I called Lena on stream, he done 41%. I called AMB, he done 21%. That's like the last 2 days, but I didn't take the trade because I can't. I was driving. Look at alpha right now, man. It looks really good.
KuCoin doesn't have alpha.
Oh no. Vindu, are you still here, bro? I'm also with alpha. It's probably best that we wait for it to close above 1238 to long, because that was previous resistance. A very strong one too.